Welcome to this tutorial. The thank you page is the final step in the customer purchase journey. It's displayed immediately after a successful order has been placed, making it the perfect place to thank your customers and provide them with helpful next steps. In this video, we'll explore the default thank you page and see how you can customize it using the Gridbox editor. To open the Thank You page, go to System Pages in the Gridbox Administration panel, locate the Thank You page, and open it in the editor. As you can see, the Thank You page is a standard Gridbox page. This means you have access to the full set of editing tools and can customize it just like any other page on your website. By default, the page contains three plugins: a text plugin displaying the Thank You heading, another text plugin with the confirmation message, and a Continue Shopping button that allows customers to return to your store. You can edit the confirmation message, change the button text and destination, add images, videos, promotional banners, or any other Gridbox plugin. Many stores also use the Thank You page to promote special offers, encourage customers to subscribe to a newsletter, or provide additional information about the next steps after placing an order. The Thank You page may be simple, but it's an excellent opportunity to leave a positive final impression and encourage customers to continue exploring your store. This also brings us to the end of the shopping experience section of the course. In the next lessons, we'll move on to store operations, where we'll configure payment methods, locations, shipping, taxes, and currencies. Everything you need to prepare your store for real customer orders. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.